Hello guys, welcome to VEDTUBE. In today's video we are going to measure the distance by using this particular sensor, which is HC-SR04. I will be using Arduino Uno to interface the sensor and measure the distance. I am not going to use any jumper wire or wire to connect it with the Arduino Uno. So I will be directly connecting it like this only, and make some changes in the Arduino code so that it can get power from the 8th and 11th pin, which is VCC and ground. So let's see the code now. Let's see the code. Now you first need to go to Sketch, include library, manage library. Now you need to search here for SR SC04 SC-SR04. Here you can see there are many options, so you need to download a particular which I have used. So I will show you that one. This one, HC-SR04 by Doug Sadnik. So you need to install this one. I have already installed, so it's showing installed. Now close this one and go to example. Here you can see HC-SR04 and choose the simple one, HC-SR04 simple. So I have selected that. I have made some changes in that. I have changed the trigger pin to 9 and the echo pin to 10. Also, for giving the ground and VCC, I have here 8th pin will work as VCC and 11th pin will work as a ground. So I have make the 8th pin high and 11 is low. So now these both pin will work as VCC and ground for the sensor, and the 9th pin will be a trigger and echo pin will be 10th. So here I have made some changes in the print command. So here you can see the distance, and I have also commented this one. So you can see in the serial monitor. So this one, you can see it is showing distance in centimeter. So I will decrease the distance. You can see here it is 5 centimeter 4 3. Now I will increase the distance. You can see. So that's all for this. Now I'm also decreasing the distance. You can easily measure the distance with this sensor.